Hey Tony, what's the Wi-Fi password here?
It's coffee, and it's written over there.
That's not a good password.
Tell me about it, at least put a number after it or something. I set up my gym's password to be liftweights1.
To be honest, that's not much better. A strong password has to be hard to guess and use words that other people won't think of.
Like what?
Well, it should be several syllables. The longer the better, like saturation. And if it has numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and special characters, that's even better. But the key is actually length. A series of uncommon words will be harder to guess than most people realize. It's also best to use a passphrase that can be easy to remember and then use.
I don't know, I think I need something that sticks in my mind. How about extern habdomialysis 101?
That definitely sounds better. I don't think anybody would remember that.
Should I write it down somewhere?
Probably not. I think that's not a good idea unless you protect the written password very carefully. If you have a good password and you write it down, you need to really store it somewhere safe.
What if I email myself? One of my friends does that a lot, or put it on my computer because all my info is already there. Is that safe enough?
Digital storage can be broken into. If you really want to keep a copy of your password digitally, I suggest encrypting it or using password storage software.
Do you think someone could get into my personal computer?
Of course, if it's left unattended, everything is breached. Anyone can steal the information. Besides, people have the habit of reusing passwords.
I don't do that.
Good. It's really not safe. But if you have to reuse passwords, you can make it safer by dividing your accounts into groups like gaming, shopping, and so on. Then only reuse passwords within each group, but you should always use unique passwords for stuff like banking and work.
Oh, I got it.
Also remember, if your work password has been stolen, you need to tell your IT team or supervisor right away, or even your boss, and change your password right away to minimize the damage.
Yeah, when I think about it, all my important information could be stolen, like client details or the other secure information I manage.
Exactly.
I don't want that stuff getting out on the dark web.
It won't happen to you if you're really watchful. And you know what? I saw this video the other day on password security. Let's watch it together. I think it would be helpful for us.
Sounds great. Better safe than sorry.